Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Isabella's Girl Scout outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones that I had accessory adjustments on, which is this hat. I just colored it this color here. And for the adjustments, position it at x.49, rotate it at x.66, and scale it to 0.41. Select this in the third toggle in this color, 99382D, and then position it at y.61, z.46, and x at 0.12 for the rotation, and scaled it down to 0.22. For the outfit, we are going to use a VIP item because we are going to use this one. Color it white and color the rest orange like this. Then you're going to get this skirt here and you're going to color it brown. This brown here, and you're going to color the rest red. If you want to make it look more similar, her belt is the one like the VIP one, like this one, but only if you want to, because it looks very similar to the one here. I am going to make it matte, however, to match the colors a little bit better, and I'm just going to adjust it like this, but it is not it is optional. That's what I'm trying to say. Then for the badge, I'm going to use this one in the second toggle in this yellow color here, EEB33D in matte. Then I'm going to make the second one matte in this pattern, and then I'm going to color the rest in this brown, like so. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to use the socks in high strip socks. Remove the feet as well because we are going to use these shoes here. And then we're going to color it this red and then this orange, and then back to that red, and just leave the laces white. And that is it. That is how you can create Isabella on Dress to Impress. If you don't want to use this, it's optional, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.